everyone, welcome back. From homesteads on acres of land to suburban city lots, growing domes are helping people grow their own food year-round, regardless of their community, climate, or grid. Our greenhouses were originally designed to be entirely off-grid, with each solar component having its own solar panel. Solar-powered options are great for those that do not have grid power or those that just wish to live a more sustainable lifestyle. We've tried to keep everything as simple as possible, so these components will only run when the sun is shining. Therefore, as the sun warms up your greenhouse during the day, your fans will kick on and provide you with ventilation. However, as the years have gone by, 3 decades worth, we've realized that the KISS method isn't for everyone. Some people want their components to run throughout the night, 24/7. Others, and their HOAs, don't love the idea of having a few small solar panels mounted on the greenhouse. And on top of that, more and more people are adding solar arrays to their homes, businesses, and homesteads. So the definition of an off-grid greenhouse is evolving. That's why we've started offering some more electric options. We believe that everyone should have a garden that thrives 365, no matter where you live. So let's start with those off-grid options. We have solar-powered fans, both intake and exhaust. We have a solar-powered water feature for your pond. Our undersoil system is also solar-powered. And we have a few add-ons like our solar irrigation system and a solar aerator. When it comes to aftermarket products for your growing dome, you are a little bit more limited when you are off-grid. So when it comes to heating, you'll be looking at options like a propane heater or a wood stove. You could even go with a rocket mass heater, but that does take a little bit of pre-planning. As far as cooling goes, we can get you connected with a company that created a solar-powered swamp cooler. As far as our on-grid options go, we have had our electric fan for a number of years. The benefit to the electric fan is that it does have a higher CFM than the solar-powered option. We have also recently introduced our electric water feature, so your waterfall would run 24/7. When it comes to aftermarket products, this is where you have a lot more options. So as far as heating goes, you could use a infrared heater, and when it comes to cooling, you do have the option of adding an oscillating fan, or a couple of them. You could also add a ceiling fan, or even an air conditioning unit. Being on the grid also gives you the opportunity to add grow lights. We've realized that some people want the best of both worlds. So this year we have introduced our hybrid solar fan. It runs on solar power when the sun is shining, and when that solar panel decreases to less than 14 volts, the electricity will kick in. We are currently working on a battery backup system for some of the solar components. These would primarily be for the solar water feature and the undersoil system. Stay tuned for more details on that as we do more research. This greenhouse is a great example of both on and off-grid components. As you can see, we have ran electricity out to this greenhouse. Now this electricity is coming from our shop building, which is actually 100% solar powered. So it's still technically off-grid. We do have our hybrid solar fan here. So this will run on solar power when the sun is shining, and then we have the opportunity to plug it in at night if we want it to run all night long. The other solar panels that you see are running the solar-powered water feature and the undersoil ventilation system. And the large panel that you see at the front of the dome is powering the battery backup system. We are always working to improve our offerings, so if there's something that you would really love to see, please leave it in the comments down below. Make sure that you're subscribed and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. And make sure you also subscribe to our monthly newsletter so you will get notified when we roll out new components. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.